I've got these FISCH brand self-feeding bits for a nice aggressive feed rate. Let's check them out. I recently tried both their brad point bits and their Fosner style bits for precision drilling in the wood shop. And so far I've been equally impressed with these self-feeding style bits. They're quite a bit more aggressive, but great for construction work. And here we can see the screw tip that acts like an auger to make this a self-feeding bit. And the one that comes pre-installed actually has fairly coarse threads. If you prefer finer threads, you can swap it out for this secondary tip that's also included, as well as an extra set screw and the Allen wrench. So just loosen the set screw on the side and those will pull right out. And I always like to see that flat spot they've created here, just so they don't twist in normal use. You've got to have a pretty sharp bit to efficiently drill large diameter holes. This one's a 2 1/8 inch bit and no trouble through this 2x6. Even drilling through thicker timber with a cordless drill, these bits will have you covered. And these are made in Austria with forged, heat-treated steel, so it should have an incredibly long service life. The action on these was really impressive, so if you need an aggressive cutting bit, I would definitely recommend these FISCH brand self-feeding bits.